With SureSet, you can now have a floor that's as easy to install as it is beautiful. Let your imagination run wild with virtually endless design possibilities. Changing your mind becomes child's play as you reposition pieces as easily as a sticky note. Trendy patterns like herringbone, parquet, or chevron are easy to do as you can fix mistakes on the fly. Let SureSet release your inner DIY designer. Better yet, SureSet is engineered to perform. Its maximum stability stands up to whatever you throw at it without curling, gapping, shrinking, or shifting. And its waterproof surface is protected by a high-performance urethane finish that enhances durability and makes cleanup a breeze. The sculpted wave backing doesn't just grip the subfloor, it lets the floor breathe and absorb sound, which makes it great for high-traffic areas. But don't take our word for it. Here's what Anthony Carino of HGTV's Kitchen Cousins had to say about it.
Their Transcend SureSet line, Tarkett's Transcend SureSet line, has a pre-applied adhesive to the back of it, and that adhesive is what's known as releasable. So it just means that you can put it down and pick it up to 10 times, and the adhesion still works. So if you're not sure of your layout or you don't know which way you want the boards in the room, you can use this product, and it's really confidence-inspiring. It makes it almost impossible to make a mistake.
Yep.
Change your design as easily as you change your mind. Only with SureSet.